Hey there, JKs, and welcome to your math lesson of the day. Today we're going to start off with some warm-up. So I'm going to show you the game that we're going to play this morning together. It's on the Top Marks website. You know how much I love this site. Great free English and math games. And today I chose one called Shape Patterns. Making it a little bit bigger. There you go. Okay, so if you want to play this game at home, I recommend you start with level 1 or 2. And if those are too easy for you, then you can go up to level 3. So we'll start with level 1 today. Okay, girls. So what you need to do is look at the pattern on top here. And then you have to choose the missing shape from one of these train carts. So here I have a green rectangle, orange triangle, green rectangle, orange triangle, green rectangle, orange triangle. What goes here, girls? Can you see the shape that goes there? Point at the one you think is right. Are you pointing at this one? Let's see. Good job, girls. Okay, now I want you to look at your pattern here. Pink square, purple circle, pink square, purple circle, pink square. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to tell an adult which one you think is right or to point to the answer. 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, I want you to examine the pattern by yourself. Take your time really looking at it. And then I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess what comes next. Great job, girls. Now let's go to level 2, where they get a little bit trickier. I think you can do it, girls. Oh, wow. All right, so let's look at this pattern. Here we have a orange hexagon, yellow oval. Pink hexagon, sorry, pink pentagon, and it restarts. Orange hexagon, yellow oval. Pink pentagon. What goes here? I'll give you 5 seconds to look at it very carefully. 5, 4, 3. Let's see if the pink pentagon works. Here, after the yellow oval, there are 2 pink pentagons. After this yellow oval, there's only 1, which makes me think that the other pink pentagon is missing. That was right, girls. Good job. Okay, let's look at the pattern. Blue oval, yellow hexagon. Yellow triangle, yellow triangle. Blue oval, yellow hexagon, yellow triangle. What comes after? What came after the triangle last time? Think about what comes after this triangle. 5 seconds. Point to the right answer or tell an adult. Woohoo! Great job, girls. All right, that's where I'll stop it for today. But if you would like to pause my video and take an extra 5-10 minutes going on the Top Marks site and continue to play this game, you can always pause my video and do that. It is a great, great game. Then when you're ready to join the math lesson of the day, you can come on right back and press play. So today we are Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. And today we are continuing to solve subtraction problems using 3 different methods. So let's just go over what those methods are. Here we have pictures showing us exactly what they are. The first method, I see someone's hands. All right, the first method is our fingers methods. We use our fingers to count and our chins to count as well. Our next method is our drawing method. That's where you draw out the problem. And the last method is using objects called manipulatives. So yesterday you saw me solving using coffee cup coasters. Okay, so I'm gonna do this guided problem for you, and you can watch me how I do it, and then I think you'll be ready to do problems on your own. So as always, we're gonna read the problem 2 times, the first time just to hear it, and the second time we're gonna circle the important numbers. That's better. All right. There are 10 cookies on a plate. I ate some of them, and now there are 7 left. How many cookies did I eat? This one is a little bit of a challenge problem, so I'm happy I'm doing this one with you. Let's read that again. There are 10 cookies on a plate. I ate some of them, and now there are 7 left. There were 7 left. How many cookies did I eat? Now, girls, this problem is a little bit tricky because it's telling you your first number, which is 10. But then it's not telling you how many cookies were taken away. It's not telling you how many cookies I ate. So it's like saying 10 minus a question mark equals 7. Because they do tell you that at the end, you're left with 7. So we have to find out how many cookies I ate so that I was left with 7 cookies. So first, we're gonna start off with our finger strategy. And I start off with 10 fingers for 10 cookies. Now, what I know is that at the end, I need to have 7 fingers left. So I'm going to do that now. I am going to show 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many fingers had to go down for me to get 7? Because that will mean we can find out how many cookies were eaten to be left with 7. Let's count the ones that are down. 1, 2, 3. That means I started off with 10 cookies and I ate 3, and I'm left with 7. So I will write 3 on my finger strategy line. Next, I'm going to draw out the problem. So I'm going to start off by drawing 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now, girls, remember, we know that at the end, we have to have 7 left. So I'm going to find my group of 7, and I'm going to circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that at the end, I have to be left with at least these cookies, which means these cookies are the ones that were eaten. So how many cookies were eaten? 1 cookie was eaten, 2 cookies were eaten, 3 cookies were eaten, and I was left with the 7. So again, I found my number 3. And now finally, we need to do this problem with manipulatives. So I'm just going to pause this video and I'm going to go get some things that I can use as manipulatives. I need at least 10 objects of something. Hey girls, so I just went and I got some pasta noodles in the cupboard. And I'm going to use these as my objects. So I'm going to get 10 noodles out because there were 10 cookies in my problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oopsies, 9, 10. I'm going to recount that because a good mathematician always recounts her work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So now I have the 10 pasta noodles that are representing the 10 cookies. Now at the end, I still have 7 left. So I'm going to find 7 of these and put them on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this group here, these are the cookies that I have left at the end, which mean that these must be the ones that were eaten. How many are there? 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Let me check that. If I have all 10 of them together and I take out 3, will I be left with 7? Here, let me take out 3. 1, cookie eaten. 2 cookies I ate, and 3 cookies I ate. Now let's see if I have 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Girls, it works. So 3 cookies were definitely eaten. Now I can write 3 on this last line too. Okay, girls. So now that I've showed you how to solve using fingers, drawings, and objects for each problem, I think you are ready to start your independent problems. So for today, sorry guys. Okay. So for today, you have problems that look just like the ones we just solved together. Number 1, the problem is about someone who has 6 shirts and loses 1 at the laundromat. How many does he have now? You'll have to solve this problem just like I did. First using your fingers, next with drawing, and lastly with objects. It's the same thing for number 2, number 3, and that's all. So you have 3 problems to do today. 3 problems. And at the end, if you're feeling like you want a little bit of math review, here we have a little bit of subtraction review. How you solve this, girls? Don't feel shy to draw it out. So it's a simple equation. It says 7 minus 2 equals something. So that's your call to action. You just start drawing out the problem. 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2, so 2 had to get taken away. Let's cross 2 out. Cross, cross. How many are left? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means it's 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay? And that's all for today, girls. But remember, the main focus is really getting through those 3 problems and proving to yourself that you now know how to solve in 3 different ways. All right, girls, have a great time finishing your math work, and I'll catch you later.